Hi guys, it's London and today we're going to be looking at this book. I made a video of this. It was English, but from the same pack I got a maths one. So as you can see, I got one other ones. And same 50 cool stickers as well. When you open the page, you will see this. It will say help with homework math, and it should say revision, or there'll be another book of maths, I should say something else. And English, you get 2 books of English, 2 books of maths. And it says, there's a cat here, and it says, hi, my name is Kit Kat, and there's some things that she says. And there's a dog, and I am Dig, and his So I'm not going to just be reading the questions out, I'm just going to just show you this. Over here you can just stick a sticker. Once you're done, and you've got a sticker if you don't get it. And at the back, there's a puzzle. One page for a puzzle. And then 2 pages. Don't look at that, because then you're cheating. And I'm just going to read one example of question. Let me just read an example of these. And number values. Each digit in a number has a value. For example, 3,450 equals to 3,000 plus 400 plus 50 plus 0. They just start the way around. Because they have their wrote is the other way around, but still, same answer. And then remember, 9,999 equals 9,000 plus 900 plus 90 plus 9. So it's just a simple way of working out answers. And then they give you some questions. You have to answer about what they just told you. And then the next page as well. And then there's a new subject on the next page. What's the subject? Remember, add the units first, carry over and any tens to the tens tens to the any tens to the tens column. Yeah, that makes hundreds to the hundreds column and thousands to thousands column. That's simple. And then you can just do it. And on the side, it just gives an example. I'll just try to show. And then you can stick a little sticker and this bigger sticker. You know all the things. And then there's decimals, times and divides, and divide 10 and hundreds, number sequence, fractions, shapes, angles, I'm not going to say the rest. And once you finish the book, you can just do the puzzle. And then if you want to check the answer and you'll finish, that's actually a good way of doing it. But this is not my book, so that's all I'm looking at. I don't think I should be showing the answers. If you have this book and you guys can get this book, You can get it from like somewhere that has lots of books, and you might find this. It's a full pack. I got this for £1. And with this, you will see a maths one, 2 maths ones, a test one, like another practice, and for your maths and English. And this helps you with homework, and it's Minecraft, so you can find other ages as well. And it says Key Stage 2 Maths Revision. Thanks for watching, and hope you like this video. Please click the like button and subscribe if you haven't. And I got a PopJam account, and please follow me. It's Creator12, and the picture should be pencils, color pencils. Yeah, follow me, and then just like send a comment on there that I followed you, and then tell me on the video comment, tell me that what's your username so I can follow you. If you tell me, then I can follow you. Thank you for watching. Bye.